doing the theme from Swan Lake by Tchaikovsky. Now, there's a lot of themes in this piece, a lot of melodies that are very recognizable. This is probably the most famous. So we'll start with this one. And here it is. Okay, there it is. Okay, we're going to be looking at the first few bars of this piece today. And as you may or may not have noticed, the theme repeats here, right? We had one statement of the theme and then a repetition, which was varied a little bit. The left-hand harmony changed its voicing quite a lot. We're going to be doing just the first statement of the theme today. And if you want to finish this piece, visit our website, start your free trial there, and finish the work. Let's start with the left hand. 5, 4, 2, 1, 2. So what was happening here is an A minor arpeggio. We start with the bottom, go to the top, and back down the same way we went up, right? 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5. And when you get back down to this A, this is where the right hand comes in. So I'll continue now from the beginning with the left hand with the fingering. 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Next bar. Same thing. 5, 4, 2, 1. Only up to the thumb. Doesn't go over. Next. 5, 4, 2, 1. Next. Back to A minor. 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Next. Same thing. 5, 4, 2, 1. Only up to the thumb. Next. 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 5, 4, 2, 1. So there's a lot of repetition here, especially with regard to fingering, right? A lot of 5, 4, 2, 1s here. That'll come in handy when you have to delegate your attention to the right hand. Okay, cool. So that's more or less the left hand. Now, what I should mention before we start doing the right hand is the pedaling here. Pedaling is important because it's really the left hand that dictates how, or in this case, it's the left hand that dictates the pedaling because it's with pretty much with every harmony change. So, one pedal down for all of this. Still down. Now change on this one. And change on this one. Change up, right? So there's no pedal on these two. We don't want this mix. So just up, pedal is up here, and then pedal is back down, like that. Take your time, watch this as many times as necessary, but make sure that the left hand is very secure with the pedaling and with the fingerings as well. And when that's done, we can have a look at the right hand. Now, I didn't look at the rhythm of the left hand because it's very straightforward. There's only one spot where we have a quarter note. Everything else is eighths. So once we put it together, I think the rhythm will become clearer when I actually count it out loud. Okay, right hand, starting with 5. Next. So it's just all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 3, 5, 3, 5, lift, 3, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 5. Second finger lifts here, but not the first, and then connect to 4 and 1. And that's pretty much it. Learn the fingerings and the notes, and then come back for the rhythm, which is this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then it kind of continues. But that's for the part 2 of this tutorial. All right, so take care of both of the hands respectively and come back to put it together. I'm going to play it very slowly with both hands, with counting, so that you can go back and forth and see how the notes line up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3. Yeah, there you go. There's not that much to it. But if you'd like to continue learning it and finish this second statement of the theme with different left hand, then please visit our website, start a free trial, and do that there. Leave us a comment below if you have any suggestions as to a future piece. Please let me know, and I'll make sure to make those for you guys, and subscribe. All right, that's it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.